Tired of that credit score holding you back? Let's explore how Experian can help you boost it, and fast, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. First, head over to Experian.com if you don't already have an account. Sign up for a free Experian account. This gives you access to your credit report and score. Once logged in, carefully review your Experian credit report. Look for any errors, like incorrect account information or accounts that aren't yours. This is crucial because fixing errors is often the quickest way to see a score improvement. Found an error? Great. Experian makes it easy to dispute it online. Just follow their instructions to submit your dispute and provide any supporting documentation you have. Next, explore Experian Boost. This feature lets you add positive payment history, like utility and telecom bills, to your Experian credit report. This can provide a quick boost, especially if you have limited credit history. While you're waiting for disputes to be resolved and Experian Boost to work its magic, focus on the fundamentals. Keep your credit card balances low. Aim for using less than 30% of your available credit on each card. This shows lenders you're responsible with credit. And of course, always pay your bills on time. Every time payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score. So, while Experian offers tools for quicker improvements, remember, building excellent credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Use these tips alongside consistent, responsible credit management for lasting success.